Hello there, I'm Paul from Ask the Expert. Today we've got a question about grinding discs, and the question is, I have purchased a premium grinding disc that seems to last a very long time. However, don't remove material. What can I do to address the issue? Okay, so great. I'm glad you bought a premium grinding disc such as this Quantum 3 here, full ceramic disc. Yes, it is a long life disc, but if you do not pair this with a powerful machine like we have in front of us here, a 1.9 kilowatt, what the problem is you won't break this disc down. Because this is so hard and it has the ceramic grains in here, which again are much tougher than aluminium oxide grains. You need to pair that with a machine that has the power to break that down. If we don't break the disc down, it glazes. Okay, it's so simple. You heat the edge of the disc, you blunt the abrasive, but you don't break it. And so the idea with these is we have to break it down to make it remain sharp. If it doesn't do that, it just starts to glide and removes nothing from, or relatively nothing from the material surface. So if you have a premium disc, full ceramic like this one, you must pair it with a powerful machine to get the best out of the product. Simple as that. Hope that helps. See you later.